So I'm going to show you how to change the order of these posts for the film titles. So let's say we don't want, as above here, on your original site, it was right after boxed. So in order to make that happen, we're going to change the dates. So I'm going to go into all posts, and we're going to look at boxed under this little link called Quick Edit. And we're going to see that this publishing date is April 1st at 9:35. So I want to make as above right around that same time. So we're going to do April 1st, just do 10:48. We're going to update. Now when I refresh this, the order is changed to be proper. And so you just want to check the dates of the other posts surrounding, and it doesn't really matter what the publishing date really is, it's just about getting things to be in order.